Dalawang dekada ng mag-asawa sina Mary Grace Poe at Teodoro Misael Vera Llamanzares. Nabiyayaan sina Grace at Neil ng 3 anak.
Now you have your own children. Ganun din ba kayong dalawang mag-asawa sa mga bata?
It's a struggle every day. I think the hardest part of being a parent is trusting your child with the responsibilities that they should learn, but at the same time, still being involved in their life.
Bukod sa mga memorabilia sa sariling pamilya, makikita din sa din ang ibang alaalang iniwan ni FPJ. Noong 2004 elections, tumakbo sa pagkapangulo si The King.
Ang hindi ko pala po nagagampanan ay isang presidente. Kaya kayo ang bahala.
Ako yung umiyak. Naawa ako talaga sa kanya. Kasi parang, imagine mo, pupunta ka sa isang lugar, sasabihin sa'yo, 0 ang boto mo doon. Samantalang kinikwento nila, hindi makadaan ang motorcade.
Lahat pong ginagawa ng pang-aapi ay maaaring tisin, hindi pa naman punuan sa loob. Pero kapag kayo ang inapi, talagang mapupuno na ang sa loob.
Yun yung palagi kong sinasabi, huwag naman nilang insultuhin yung intelihente ng tao.
Pero bukod sa pagkatalo ni FPJ noong eleksyon, muling sinubok ng tadhana ang pamilya ni Grace.
Nandun ka ba when your dad met his heart attack, was it?
No, I was still in the States. In fact, when I came here, pag-land ng aeroplano ko, a few minutes later, my dad passed na eh. So,
hindi mo na naabutan?
Hindi ko na naabutan. And my mom, consoling me, was saying, alam mo, anak, he just really waited for your plane to land. You can just put it this way. Maybe he didn't want you to see all the oxygen tubes and everything else. So I remember when I saw him, his body was still warm. His body was still warm, and he was wearing the, hospital gown. But parang I thought my knees would give at that time. I was really, shaking. But it was really a lonely time in our lives. That, but then it was made easier by the millions of people who sympathized with us.
Ayon sa ilang taga-suporta ni Fernando Poe Jr., dinamdam umano ni The King ang nangyari noong eleksyon, kaya siya nagkaroon ng aneurysm. Sa issue naman ng dayaan sa halalan, nanindigan ang byuda ni FPJ.
You have stolen the presidency, not once, but twice!
Naghayag na siya ng damdamin niya, parang feeling niya, tapos na siya doon eh. Hinihintay naman niya yung taong bayan na kung ano ba sa tingin nilang nararapat. Sa palagay namin, hindi lang naman kami ang dinaya, lahat naman tayo ay naisahan. So, hindi lang kami dapat ang humingi ng hustisya.
Halos 7 taon na ring namayapa si Fernando Poe Jr. Pumanaw man si FPJ, nananatili pa rin ang determinasyon ng pamilya para makamit ang katotohanan at hustisya.
Have you forgiven people who you think, were responsible for what happened?
I think it's wrong for me to be presumptuous and say I forgive them because actually sometimes part of the healing process is the other party will ask for forgiveness.
Yeah.
And there's an admission. Magpahiwati ka naman ng konting remorse. No? Parang wala naman. Now, have we moved on? I think we've coped, but it is my advocacy that I think there should be some sort of a resolution because in the future, when we look back, and these people aren't punished or they're not given whatever, I guess, reforms, no? If we don't adapt these reforms, it might A, happen again, or B, it might encourage people and say, kung silang na nakalusot, pwede pa, di ba?